Warrant now. Show your warrant now. Where you say warrant now, fam? Where you say warrant now, fam? Warrant now, fam? No, show your warrant now. Show your warrant now, my boss. Show me warrant now. Show your warrant. You say warrant now, fam. You say warrant. You say warrant now, fam. My name. Where I come from? Yo.
Where you come from?
Bad man, so you are this.
No, I don't hear that.
Who?
Who? Some foolishness that take place in the house.
Who?
Excuse me? People in the house, sir. We have children in the house, sir.
We have babies in the house.
We need reinforcement. Come on, call the rest of people.
Call the reinforcement because we have babies in the house. That's why people always say I have bad police.
You have a pay for my boss.
Okay, I'm reaching back.
For a house full of children, for a house full of children, as young as one, be a bad man police. Nobody no want to show them ID, nobody no want to tell them name, nobody no want to do nothing. Be a bad man police.
Look how God goes. That the picture don't take care of the man.
Be a bad man, only baby.
Call the machine.
Be a bad man police. For a house full of baby.
You want price have to do
As young as 1 year old babies are in here. Watch it, bad man.
Hey, cover.
Cover him. Especially this a bad man on here. So, bad man,
We don't have a problem pulling the grill. We don't. But that is not how we do the duty. That is not how we do the work. I will not stand by and know it's wrong.
Open them hands.
The boy.
Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Move. Mind fixing her face. Sit down, dude. Hey! Why you abuse him? Why you abuse him? Why you abuse him? Why you abuse him? Why are you abusing him? What did he do? What did he do? What did he do? Why are you abusing him? Why?